Hey guys, this is Marlo with Impress Computers, and we have a Z Workstation. Guys, we were speaking about this about a month ago. You can put in 2 Dodecacore inside. It's a 12-core Xeon processors. It's got 24 slots for memory on the RAM. Guys, you can put in 3 terabytes of RAM on this beast. It's currently have this turbo HP M2 SATA slot, which is right here on top. Right now it's got a 512, and you can buy another slot and put it right next to each other, the other one. You got more drives on the side right here, and right now we're about to put a 8 gig Quadro Video Card M4000, so which is be right back. Hey guys, so we're back with the beast. Right now we already fitted the video card. That Quadro that we put in, it's got 8 gigs, as I said before. Now, this is made for AutoCAD users and engineering. So it's really powerful and stable. NVIDIA is coming up with upcoming upgraded cards, as you guys know. In the future, we will have those incoming in the videos. However, if you have any questions about this build or any other build, please call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.